Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so how do we get to find the value of k when given an equation like this? Alright, so to find the value of k, I'll show you two methods. So method number one, let's say method number one. Okay, method number one. So what we need to do here on method number one is to use the property which says that when you've got anything, let me say you've got a power 0, this will give us a 1. I know most of you know what it means when you say anything to the power 0, we automatically get our answer to be equal to 1. So here, we'll just check the denominator which is right here. That's 8. So let's copy. You've got 1 over 8 power k plus a 2, which is equal to a 1. So applying this property right here, we're going to say 1 over 8 power k plus a 2 is equal to, this of course will be equal to 8 power 0. I know when we say 8 to the power 0, it will give us a 1 using this property, okay? So the next thing here will just be to balance the bases. Actually, we've balanced the bases, but to write this denominator be a numerator. So it will be 8 power negative 1. Look at this. The power which is here, it's a 1. So this whole thing will go on top, and it will be like this. It will have a negative power. We know the laws of indices. Whatever goes on top, or whatever changes the position in terms of fraction, in terms of a denominator or numerator, the power changes. So this power is now a negative power. And then here we shall say k plus a 2, which is equal to 8 power 0. Again, we need to apply the law of indices, which says that when you've got power to power, you multiply. So for example, if you've got a power b, then here you've got power c plus d. This will simply be equal to a power b multiplied by c plus a d. Therefore, we can say that this is a power bc plus bd. You multiply the powers, okay? So we shall say negative 1 multiplied by the other power here. So this power multiplied by this power will simply be equal to a 0. Remember, the bases are equal to each other, so we equate the powers. Therefore, we can say negative k minus 2 is equal to a 0. Negative k is equal to a 2. These two will come this side. And then here we can say k is equal to a negative 2 by simply dividing both sides by the negative, so that this negative can go, and then positive divided by negative, it will be negative. So this is our answer, okay? So now, if you don't want to use this method, let me show you method number 2, which you can use. So for method number 2, okay, we shall say method 2. For method number 2 here, we're simply going to apply the logs. So we've got 1 over 8 power k plus a 2, which is equal to a 1. Okay? So we can say log 1 over 8 power k plus a 2 is equal to log 1. Okay? So now this power will come in front like this. So in case you don't know what happens with the logs, the moment you apply the log, whatever power you have here will come in front. And this other side, when we say log 1, it will just give us a 0. So log 1 is equal to 0. We get rid of the brackets, so we've got k log 1 over 8 plus 2 log 1 over 8 is equal to a 0. Just multiply this log 1 over 8 by whatever is inside the brackets. The next thing here, would be to group the like terms. So log 1 over 8 is equal to negative 2 log 1 over 8. This will come this side. So from this stage, we can divide by log 1 over 8 so that we remain with k log 1 over 8. So these two will go. We shall remain with a k is equal to a negative 2 because this and this will go. We remain with a negative 2. So this is the other method that you can use. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the video, like and leave a comment. This has been Chamba Jacob. Bye-bye.